Hello everyone, this is my review of this armrest pillow, which comes in this small little package, but it's actually a pretty big pillow, and once I open it up, I'll probably never be able to get it back in here. As you can see how big it is, it folds out pretty big to give you a nice, huge surface area that you can put your laptop and computer or workstation on while you're using it. It has pockets on the side so you can hold papers, remotes, phones, or whatever you need. As you can see here on the bottom, it's not resting on your lap. It's actually supported by whatever you're sitting on, whether you're sitting on the bed or the couch. It supports itself that way, so it's not fatiguing your legs. You can see how convenient it is to use while you're sitting on the couch when you need to rest your arms while you're using your phone or reading a book or whatever. Also, there's something else you can do with it as well. If you would like to use it like a foot cushion on surfaces that are hard that you don't have a pad for, you can use it that way as well. It's also very convenient to use on the bed when you want to do work or use your phone on the bed. It's easy and gives you a nice support. So I like this product and I hope this review helps.